Hi friends, I'm Sarita. Please subscribe Sarita Activities in YouTube and click bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are going to make orange ice cream. Let's see how to prepare this. Fresh orange juice, that is 2 oranges squeezed well. I didn't add any sugar or water into this, only orange juice it is. 1 by 4th cup of powdered sugar, 1 by 4th cup of condensed milk. Now add 1 cup of whipping cream into this. One cup fresh cream. I whipped it well. Now we can add condensed milk into this. Now mix it well. Now we can add orange juice into this. Mix it well. Now add sugar to this. Now add pinch of orange food color to this. Now mix this well. Take this one box and with this lid. Now we are going to pour this ice cream mixture into this. I mixed it well. Now we can pour this in one container. I leveled it up. Now we can close with this lid and keep it in freezer for 6 to 7 hours. Then we'll see how it is after 10 hours. Look at this. Our ice cream is ready. Take one glass bowl. Scoop this ice cream like this and keep it in a glass bowl. Look at this. I have taken 3 scoops. Yes. Our orange ice cream is ready. We can top it with cashew nuts and almonds. Wow. If you like this orange ice cream recipe, then click like button and share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. Try this recipe at your home and enjoy the taste.